What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big 23 back again with another video. And today we doing a review on something special. Mike, take it away. Now these are fresh. Let's take a closer look. Decent leather, not too crazy. '23 baby Jumpman. I like these. Now let's talk about it. Man, I think these are a go. I mean, I know a lot of people don't like these because they are a low, but this is still an OG colorway. I think my biggest gripe with this shoe is the fact that you have this small Jumpman, right? And it's, the detail on the Jumpman ain't that great. The 23 is fine to me. I think that's fine. On the insole, it actually is like a 25th anniversary insole. It's not like your typical insole. It says 25th. It says 25 instead of 23. So I guess they're doing this for the 25th anniversary. At first I thought they probably just had extra insoles from the Jubilees and just threw them in here. That could be the case, or they're doing it because it's the 25th anniversary of the 11. So now I do have the breads. I don't know if I'm planning on getting any of the other lows, but tell me, do y'all prefer a low in your Jordan 1s, or do you prefer a high? I mean, it is what it is. You can see the difference in terms of the 23s, and they just shifted the Jumpman to the back. I feel like we still want these with the high cut patent leather, and we'll have the whole OG set, because if you guys don't know, the Space Jams do not count. They're not an OG colorway, they're just a PE, sadly. As far as keeping these icy, I highly recommend y'all so protect these, because this bottom will get yellow over time. It'll have like a greenish hue to it. The carbon fiber is textured, way more textured than the older pair from 2014. The leather is decent on this pair. I wish they would have had these little straps here for the laces to be leather as well. I don't know why the tongue is still mesh and not leather. I think that's it just doesn't make sense. Just make the whole thing leather. Here it says Jumpman Jordan. Probably one of my favorite details about the 11. I was never able to get the 2014 pair when I was in high school, so this is just a step up, especially without paying crazy resale for a beat pair. So in terms of the resale market, these are going for like 60 bucks, I think, over retail. So that's not too bad if you missed out on a pair and wasn't able to hit. I was able to hit on 2 pairs, one for me and one for my mom's. So I will leave a description, a link into I will leave a link in the description below for both this pair and another pair. But I would like to warn you guys, I'm gonna put 2 websites. The guy that makes these, he has the whole upper is actually mesh material instead of leather. So they got 2 different versions. They have the regular one that just released, and then you have the one that has a mesh tongue and the mesh around the whole panel instead of leather. So if you want to have that version and be different, that's cool. If you want to have this version, that's fine as well. But I would personally get the retail pair because resale ain't that crazy. Don't forget to like this video, man. Subscribe. More content is coming, and I got something special for y'all soon, so stay tuned for that. Let's get it, man. Let's go.